So welcome to HVAC Startup Technician, and I just want to take some time to talk about zone system, and this is a Honeywell hz311 zone system. That's where you could have two thermostat, one for each floor, and you could actually cut off upstairs for a minute or cut off downstairs, have one zone running or have them at different temperatures. If somebody wants 65 and the person downstairs wants a higher temperature, you can also do that. So I just want to go through some of the steps as to how the zone system works. So to power the zone board, we actually take, this is a Linux system we're working on here, but we have a transformer in here, and we wire the transformer with a thermostat wire here. It goes to come back 24 volts right here. That 24 volts RNC, that will give power to the zone board. Let's look at our wires. We have, first wire, we have a sensor here, go all the way up. Sometimes it's needed, sometimes you don't need it. What happens if it's a low pressure sensor? So if the temperature of the cool is too cold, it will cut off the system. Now we have also our equipment side. This here is the same wires done at the furnace, but we don't need a common since this also works similar to a thermostat. So we have our equipment. That's how it communicates from the furnace to that equipment side. And then we have our thermostat wires here. Come and take a look at here. So we have thermostat wires right here. So this is thermostat 1, this is thermostat 2. One of these thermostat is for upstairs, one is for the first floor. Right now, as you can see, we don't have anything on right now. If I had, I just have the fan running. If I had it, I would have been on cool or heat, but I have nothing running right now because I have the system off. If I turn it on, that would be heat, or it would be cool, and it will show the systems. All right. So I just wanted to give you a brief introduction. These are our dampers here. It's a fin inside our ductwork that will open and close as needed. So it's saying close right now because we have it off. And this is another damper that's going upstairs also. So just wanted a brief introduction to, let's take a look at our zone system. All right, thank you guys.